Successful entrepreneurs are not afraid to tinker with their products. They always experiment and look out for new ways to improve the quality of their produce as well as their services. This story from a successful businesswoman in Mangaldan, Pangasinan is a proof of this principle. Marcela Barroso is the queen of tapa or cured carabao beef and the woman behind Mangaldan's best, Cella's meat products. At a very young age, post-World War II, she worked as a helper in the town's public market. On weekends, she would run errands for market vendors. From there, her ambition to own a stall in the market has cultivated. Now she has carved the reputation for the most delectable tapa that put Pangasinan town on the culinary map. She is also considered one of the pioneers in the town's processed meat industry. But the hardships that Barroso had to endure before she succeeded in her venture was not just.
Nag-umpisa ko nung bata pa lang na elementary lang ako, 10 years old lang. Pumasok akong utusan sa palengke sa in 1 week, Saturday at Sunday. Pero nung nag-graduate ako sa high school, nakahinto akong 2 taon dahil tumutulong ako sa pamilya namin. Pagtapos ako sa high school, nagpursige ako na umangkap ng paninda ko sa palengke hanggang nag-ipon ako ng puhunan na may pampunan akong maliit na binibinta ko rin. Yung inumpisa ko sa 1 kilong tapa hanggang nakuha ko na yung talagang timplada na masarap. Kaya ganito, napalaki ko rin.
Cella's meat products started out from an ambitious desire of earning a decent income to help her family. She ventured into small-scale tapa making using indigenous ingredients and crude preparations. She also had other processed meat products such as longanisa or native sausages, embutido or steamed ground meat, hot dog, and tocino. She used to do everything manually by herself, from creating the recipe to packaging and selling the products in the streets to houses and villages. When receiving orders, she goes to the cattle market and buys carabaos and pigs. She was the only woman buyer in that market at the time. With a flourishing business, she realized she needed to innovate. She invested in machines and traveled abroad to see what strategic opportunities were available. Not long enough, she became a key wholesaler of meat in this AA rated and National Meat Inspection Commission certified butcher house supplying to Metro Manila, Baguio City, and some parts of northern Luzon. Tapa or pindang for Mangaldan folks is processed beef strip, which is traditionally prepared by curing the salted and heavily seasoned meat directly under the sun.
Could easily absorb by the meat and makes it tender as well. So after slicing, this is the sliced product, the sliced meat, right? After slicing, we will put it in the mixer. So to put it in the mixer, sprinkle it inside slowly. Sprinkle. We get the meat from the mixer. Put it in the freezer for overnight to soak through, really soak the ingredients.
Top seller throughout the year here, tapa is Mangaldan Town's one town, one product. Fried tapa has been part of the traditional Filipino breakfast meal called tapsilog, a combination of tapa, garlic fried rice, and fried egg.
So after packaging, put it in the freezer, ready for the market. This is the frozen one now, ready for the market.
Ako talagang bata pa ako, ambisyosa na ako kasi mahirap ang buhay namin. Kaya nag-ambisyon akong umangat yung kinabuhay namin, ng pamilya.
With its superior quality and taste, Sala's meat products led the pack in the local meat industry. Marcela Barroso, who has been in the business for more than 40 years, making her one of the remaining original tapa makers in town, believes that by using technology, she can help her fellow women entrepreneurs to be open to opportunities online, just as how it has helped her company improve business operations and marketing. She now mentors other women to start their own meat processing business to augment the household income.